Next problem number 4 I will take up. Here, a firm sells its producers for ₹100 per unit. So sales here for 1 unit 100 rupees. They are not given the total sales, they are given per unit sales. And continue, has variable operating cost of ₹50 per unit. So variable cost is also they have given per unit ₹50. They have not given the total. And fixed operating cost ₹50,000 per year. Fixed cost remains same for all the levels of production. It is not going to change. That is why it is called as fixed cost 50,000. So 50,000 same for different levels of production. 50,000. And they have given us show the various levels of EBIT. Only EBIT we have to calculate. That would result from sale of 1,000 units, sale of 2,000 units, sale of 3,000 units. For different levels of units that is produced and sold, what will be the EBIT? That is what has been asked in the problem. So I will go for this calculation now. So sales we don't have total, but we have 100 rupees per unit. So we will calculate now one by one. The sales 100 rupees per unit. So 100 rupees into 1,000 units, 1 lakh. 100 rupees into 2,000 units, 2 lakhs. 100 rupees into 3,000 units, 3 lakhs. So here the sales value not given, which we have to find, multiplying the per unit into number of units. Next, less variable cost 50 rupees per unit. So we have to multiply 50 rupees into 1,000, 50,000 rupees. 50 rupees into 2,000, 1 lakh rupee. 50 rupees per unit into 3,000 units, 1 lakh 50,000. So deduct sales less variable cost, contribution 50,000. Here contribution 1 lakh. Here contribution is 1 lakh 50,000. Then less fixed cost given in the problem 50,000 for all the levels of production. The units are 1,000 units or units are 3,000 units. The fixed cost remains same, 50,000 for all the levels. Then EBIT here 0. Here 1 lakh minus 50,000. 1 lakh 50 minus 50, 1 lakh. So you can see when they produce 1 lakh units, there is no profit. 1,000 units, no profit. When they produce and sell 2,000 units, they have 50,000 rupees profit. When they sell 3,000 units, they have 1 lakh rupee profit. So this is what the calculation. As the sales increases, the profit will increase because the fixed cost remains same.